Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish home. First, select a tank that is appropriately sized for the fish you plan to keep, ensuring they have ample space to thrive. Next, choose a reliable filtration system to keep the water clean and healthy. Finally, add a suitable substrate and decorations to create a stimulating and natural-looking habitat for your aquatic friends. This foundation is crucial for their well-being. Once you have your tank, thoroughly rinse all substrate and decorations to remove any dust or chemicals. Then, carefully install your chosen filter and heater, making sure they are positioned correctly for optimal function. Begin filling your tank slowly with dechlorinated water, checking the temperature as you go. This careful setup prevents stress for your future fish and ensures a stable environment from day one. Maintaining a healthy fish home involves consistent care. Perform partial water changes of about 1/4 of the tank volume weekly to remove nitrates and replenish essential minerals. Regularly test your water parameters, such as pH and ammonia, to ensure they remain within safe ranges for your fish. Clean your filter media and tank walls as needed to prevent algae buildup and maintain clear water. To further enhance your fish's home, consider incorporating live plants. They not only look beautiful but also help improve water quality by absorbing nitrates. When introducing new fish, do so gradually to allow them to acclimate and reduce stress on your current inhabitants. Remember, a thriving aquarium is a balanced ecosystem. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.